Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create, set up, and link multiple choice products. Perfect for variants, sizes, extras, and upselling. So, let's get started. First, search for the group of products you want to create a multiple choice option for. In this example, we're setting up size options for a fresh juice drink. The flavor choices are already prepared. Now let's add the sizes. Use Quick Add in the top right corner to create your options. Since we're creating sizes of a main product, pricing details aren't needed. Any extra charges will be handled by the multiple choice group later in the setup. Next, press the columns button on the right-hand side and turn on Sell Until to make the field appear. Then double-click and untick the box. We're hiding the size options from the till so they'll only show inside the multiple choice menu. If you plan to sell the items you're adding separately, leave this box ticked. Now, go to Multiple Choice Products on the left. Press Add in the top right corner and name the group Fresh Juice Size Options. You can set a minimum and maximum selection. We'll set the minimum to 1 and do the same with the maximum. This will limit the selection to 1 size per product added. Use the category filter to find where you placed your sizes. Select each size option and press Add to the right. If you need to, you can add extra charges here. We'll leave regular as it is, but add an increase to large. When you're finished, press the green Add button. Next, we'll head back to the product list and search for the main fresh juice product. Click the 3 dots on the right-hand side and select Advanced Edit. Then scroll down to the multiple choice section. Choose the flavor group and set the till order to 1. Then, select the size group and set the till order to 2. This sets the order in which options appear on the till. Save your changes once you've finished adding. Now let's take a look to see how it functions on the till. Start with a quick cloud sync and navigate through to your main product. Our multiple choice product group shows with the flavors first, then the drink sizes second. And just like that, you've set up multiple choice products. Thanks so much for watching, and have a lovely day.